Anambra State. I na pray. It's a pity. Ebegidegi akwa na ebe a. Anya mmiri ju ndị badanya.
Nwam gara ọrụ ọ gara ọrụ abụ ibozu nwa m gọọmenti bụ ibozu nwa m. Nwam gara ọrụ.
Governor Soludo, look at the family of the innocent boy. 3 innocent people that this security slaughtered. Now, one of their family, look at them. They are crying because this boy go to outside work. He went to outside work. And those security bring them out, shot them. Anybody that saying that this security killed these 3 boys by mistake, God of heaven will judge you because they bring those boys out, they shoot them, call them unknown government, call them IPOP, biafra. I want you people to watch their family. Their family are crying right now. Their family are crying and the security people are rejoicing. But let me tell you people something. One day, those security that are rejoicing now, one day they will cry because the judgment of God will fall upon them. Because the innocent blood will fight against that generation. The enemies of Igbos are in Igbo land. But God Almighty, who helped the Igbos when the Nigerian government and the Britain want to wipe out Igbos on this earth, but God protect the Igbos. That is saying God will save the Igbos, we protect the Igbos. All this innocent blood they are slaughtering, we fight against these people that are slaughtering them.
Biko I know Iswafia ebe be ife kosi so I know be this afternoon. Ono nanya ono afu people in sorrowful mood. Ono na afu ndị mmadụ. Na the mom bụ this woman no niru. The father died 4 years ago. Grave here na Yoruba. Now the elder brother. Nah, because if you make it go maka your brother.
We just wake up now yesterday and my brother happened like ever since Tuesday.
Okay.
He was outside work. Even I look 100 and lot road.
Okay.
So eventually I was there when I could see me.
Wow.
Even though area commander executor, we have to understand now since 4 o'clock yesterday. Wow. That is even non-government. Stealing down we had a bomb.
Can't be your brother Jibidol wow.
Almost I'm gonna feel like last 2 years or last year I'm gonna free. And I don't go to the now bomb boy was all right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go like 5 years with the job.
Ask for no Kochupa the all.
Yeah, all Kochukum with the building and I do the all.
Okay.
So but you motor the all with the engineer.
Okay.
Engineer you structure do no. Only book all.
Okay.
So yeah, structure do no. Eventually I meet is your guy.
Okay.
That my brother will all on the club.
Okay.
I negotiate your all. Now guy 10 there all see I got your
what is going on in Anambra State? They have put this family into a sorrowful mood. Yeah, be phenomenal by yeah, and I mean it's warfare. So all this so painful. So Kemaka and where case you say cover the cops.
And the area command sends the Monday police station on dog.
Okay.
Can we get book after those who get the song because since yesterday I can't watch Hanilo.
So I can only load to you now.
Even up to now. I am everybody in close itself. Oh, from area command carried not however.
Okay. So next time you're on a phenomenal Anambra State. It's a pity. It's a pity. Yeah, we saw Kaino. Yeah, we saw now this is the house of the poor boy. Now Bamboko is low. It's just a pity. On the widow. She has tried her best to make sure that now also the can when I call is dear debate. Oh yeah, them look at you can see people in a sorrowful mood. Yeah, we phenomenal Anambra State. Yeah. I pray this family into early morning. Only for the younger ones. How can the family? Your father died 4 years ago.
Governor Soludo, listen to me. Governor Soludo, I like what you are doing in Anambra State. You are doing a great job. But don't allow Hopus Odema have bad name. Governor Soludo, I like what you are doing. I like the work you are doing in Anambra State. But this place in happening now, it will destroy your image. It will destroy your image, Governor Soludo. You win the election in Anambra State. You are the one that won. Yes. There is nothing like league election. You won it. The Anambra people vote for you. Yes. You win. But Imo State, oh, not be here win. They carry and put for that place. Even in second term, not be here win. Imo State don't need them again because of this thing now that want to start happening in Anambra State. Last 2 days ago, I do video concerning one of the security people. They slaughtered 2 innocent people in Imo State. The video is flying online. The boy went to fetch water, and all these security people now, Asare Dokuba bring in Igbo land, combined with other people. The boy tell them, I went to fetch water, and they slaughtered the young boy that went to fetch water. Innocent blood. Listen to me, Governor Soludo. You are doing a great work in Anambra State. I like what you are doing. But be careful for these people. All this innocent blood. No. Warn these people. Because most of them hate Igbos. Most of them hate Igbo. They are from Niger Delta. They hate Igbos. And these boys, they are working inside. With all these things they are used to work. They are working. They brought them out. Tell them they are not good men. Shoot them. Innocent people are war. Innocent people die. And this security are jubilating, rejoicing. They are killing innocent people. They are killing innocent person. Listen to me, Governor Soludo. If this thing happen again in Anambra State, I'm gonna go. Yes. If this thing happen in Anambra State again, I will come out on social media. I may tell you what I will tell you. You will be looking for less me. Yes. Other pastors may keep quiet. Other prophets may keep quiet, but I will not keep quiet. Yes. Governor Soludo, caution these boys that are working to all this security. If this thing happen in Anambra State again, Governor Soludo, I will come out like this again on social media. What I will say, you may order to arrest me. I'm telling you the truth. I said before, you won Anambra State election. Yes, people vote for you inside there. But don't make what people will hate you. Don't make what people will hate you. People will not vote you again. Unless you will league election as other governors are doing in Imo State. Unless you will do the same thing. Don't make people to hate you. Don't make people to hate you. Those people that are working with you, tell them, if they want to kill somebody, let them verify. If they want to arrest somebody, let them verify. Governor Soludo, listen to me. I'm not against the work you are doing in Anambra State. You are doing a great job in Alwezbo and Anambra State. Yes, nobody in Anambra State is happy for this insecurity. We are not happy for this insecurity. We want this insecurity to stop. Yes, it will stop. But don't use for you to stop this insecurity. You will be slaughtering innocent people. This security where they work with you. So Governor Soludo, do a great work in that place. And most of you that are talking what you don't know, typing what you don't know, that's what am I saying? Maybe I'm supporting evil. These innocent people that this security killed now, if not your brother, will you be happy? If not you, where they support evil, if not you went to outside work and you are working, all of a sudden security come and carry you, calling you a non-government, calling you biafra, carry gun, shoot you, kill you. Will you be happy? Will you be happy? This wicked generation people, and you people are supporting evil. If you are supporting evil, I will not support evil. And Governor Soludo, I told you once again, security. Because if this kind of thing start happening again in Anambra State, Governor Soludo, I will come out on this social media. You may give order to come and arrest me, because I will come out on other pastors will keep quiet, other prophets will keep quiet, others will keep quiet, but I will not keep quiet. You governors, you people should do the right thing you people supposed to do. don't think that you are in position to do anything you want to do. And the same thing to Governor Hope Uzodinma. Governor Hope Uzodinma, I'm warning you again. Stop killing innocent Imo youths. There are some villages right now. Those security you brought to Imo State are slaughtering innocent youth, and you keep quiet. You pretend that you don't know what is happening, but you know what is happening. Governor Hope Uzodinma, know that this innocent blood will fight against you. Even though if the thing not fight against you, the time where they are alive, when you will die, your children will suffer this. Your children's children will suffer this innocent blood. And Governor Peter Mba, this is the last warning I'm giving you. Ayamufi in Enugu State. Ayamufi in Enugu State. Fulani herdsmen have been taken over in that land, in that territory, and all the people like villagers in the lot away. And the Governor Peter Mba, you don't come out to condemn, sit at home. You don't come out to give speech, condemn, sit at home. But you never come out to give speech to condemn Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Enugu people in Ayamufi. Even the same thing to Governor Francis, Governor of Ebonyi State. I don't know what is happening to some of you governors. Why you people are slaves? Are you people are slaves to Fulanis? Yes, you people are doing meeting, bringing security to fight to stop Biafra. But how many times have you people raised security to fight against Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering people since 2009? Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, they are slaughtering Christians since 2009 to this year, 2025. No solution. And you governors are not doing meeting against them. Let me end this message here. I have spoken because I'm not happy for what I'm seeing. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.